Hi everybody, it's Valerie here from the AllToyCollector channel, and guess what? I have some new Lil Live Pets to review today. I have reviewed the cute Lil Live Pets birds before, but now I have a little mouse in my house. Today we're going to check out this cool Lil Mouse House. What I really like about this playset is, look! There's a hamster wheel, or I guess a mouse wheel. And then over here, I have a Mouse House trail. That looks really cool. So let me take everything out of the box and set it up. Alright, I put everything together, and these playsets are awesome. The Mouse House came with this cage and this attachment for the mouse to go around. And our cute little mouse, Mr. Snippy. Mr. Snippy really moves around and makes cute little mouse noises. First, you turn him on. The button is right here at its mouth. It looks like teeth, but it's really the on button. Look, he's already going. And then you can pet your mouse right here, and it makes noises, cute little mousy noises, and moves. Let's try this out. First, let's put him in here. Whoa! Wow, this mouse is fast. Look at him go on the little mouse wheel. Oh, now he's going somewhere else. Where are you going? Oh, he went out. Mr. Snippy is pretty wild. Whoa. He's kind of doing a wheelie over here. He's going so fast. Now he's on the mouse wheel again. This toy definitely reminds me of a real pet mouse or a hamster. Now let's connect this Mouse House to the track and see how that is. Oh boy, now I have the house connected to the trail. And let's see this mouse go. I bet he's going to be happy with all this track. Okay, ready, little mousey? Set, go! Whoa! Where's he going? He said, uh-oh. Is he stuck in there? Come on, there he goes. Oh, he went in the Mouse House. Oh, is he spinning? That's so cute. Look at him go. I wonder how long he'll be there. Oh, he went back on. Now what? Whoa! He zoomed away so fast. Oh, he left the area. Now he's loose. Oh no, would you want a loose mouse in your house? Let's put him back. Okay, go! Whoa! Oh wow, such a cool toy. Do a circle. Now here's something cool with this playset right here. This is like a little teeter-totter that the mouse can go up and down. Let's see him try it. Ready? Go! Whoa! I rate these Lil Live Pets a 5 out of 5. They are definitely amazing. I think that this track and the house are both really cool. I think both of these toys are well made. The only thing that I could ever see that goes wrong is sometimes the poor little mousey flips over. Aw, but you can always fix that. Come here, little mousey. There you go, Snippy. After all that running around, I'm sure our mouse is hungry. So here's some cheese. Oh, thank you, AllToyCollector. Oh, you're welcome. I rate this toy a 5 out of 5. I think it is perfect for boys or girls. I think the mouse is very cute, and it reminds me of a real mouse or a hamster running through the mazes. Well, AllToyCollector fans, I was wondering, what did you like more? Did you like this cool track? Or the Mouse House with the hamster wheel? Please write it down in the comment section. Also, please remember to like this video and subscribe. Goodbye and have a great day.